When it comes to new construction, one of the biggest complaints I hear is that it can be cookie cutter. And while I agree that many builders and many communities definitely offer kind of more of the same, today's feature builder and community has absolutely mastered overcoming that stereotype. If you like to pick a design option, you can, but they have a full out design center. You have the option to buy a quick move in home that's already available with selections picked, or you can build from the ground up. So there's no shortage of options to make these houses truly your individualized home. I'm Jen Snells, your Florida Realtor and Mortgage Loan Originator. Today I'm in the Zephyrhills community of Riverwood by Pulte Homes, and we're going to take a look inside of one of their many floor plans that they offer. Let's go inside.